Good morning, investors. This is StockMasterTalk from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com, and today we're taking a look at INBI, the Infusion Brands International Incorporated. Our last trading day was Monday, March 18th. Before we get started with this chart, though, I just want to say that this is a penny stock alert from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com. If you haven't already signed up for our newsletter, I would highly recommend you do that. You get all this information much quicker through your email account. Now that my little plug is over, let's get back to the exciting part here, the chart. The previous close was 0.059, and we closed up last at 0.055. That's a decrease of 6.78% on a volume of 50,840 shares, which for INBI is actually not too bad. What's very exciting about this chart is how quiet it has been for so long. That's really just telling us that the energy has really been building up, and it's waiting to explode again. The 14-day RSI is at 48.05. We've been dancing around that center line for the last couple months, actually going above it, dropping back underneath it. As we're underneath it just a smidge right now, it's a good place to hopefully pick up some shares before we go bullish and cross over that line again. Down here on our daily charts, we have some really strong support right here at the 0.04 mark, 0.045 perhaps. We've been bouncing off of that for quite a while. Seeing a lot of support on that. I'm not expecting that to break anytime soon. The only records of any recent breakthrough that line has been back here really at the beginning of the year, and it was two little flukes where we opened up way low and then we closed up above the support line anyway. Volume-wise, it's been picking up a lot lately, which you'll see, according to our accumulation, has been a really good sign. Shares have been held onto by investors, and that's always a very exciting thing to see. Down here, the MACD is waiting to break out as well. It's doing not too bad just underneath our center line. You can see the histograms have been getting quite close to that zero line, telling us that the distance between the MACD line and its signal line has been dwindling, has been getting a lot smaller, letting us know that we're getting some strength in our MACD. Trix lines, both of them pinched really tight here. The 15-day Trix is at 83, above 82 on the signal line. It's always a really nice sign. I'm very excited to see that. That's a very, very bullish indicator. However, it's very early as well. It's only 0.001 above. That just happened, and investors who caught that are hopefully going to be really happy when the market opens later today, as we're fully expecting to see this thing start to climb nicely after the way it's been set up here. The slow stochastics doing quite well, crossed over its signal line and is in that full bullish territory. Chaikin money flow also not doing too bad within its boundaries, and quite prepared to bounce as well, I would say. Stochastic RSI also very bullish. We're coming down, getting ready to bounce off that 0.790, or at least that's what I'd like to see. Chaikin money flow blows my mind away. We haven't seen any negative market trading for a long time. This has been nothing but solid trading, very consistent and positive indicator here, where investors have been really just making some really solid buys. The ADX line here is telling us that we are in a downtrend. However, if you notice, the negative DI is coming down towards the positive DI. That's a convergence there. Hopefully we will see that positive DI cross over the negative DI in the near future, letting us know that we have signaled a nice uptrend. The PVO also bullish. It's quite a bit above its signal line. The money flow index also a really nice indicator here as well. We were not doing too well as we had bottomed out here, but we have made a nice recovery. We rebounded up above that 20, made a little bit of consolidation, came back up, consolidated again, rose again, and again consolidated. That's always a nice sign to see. That's telling us that it's building strength and then building that support. And then it rises again and builds that strength and then comes back down and builds that support. It's a very nice sign. That's how you like to see stocks grow there. Accumulation and distribution also, like I said, in relative to our volume is very incredible. We've seen nothing but solid gains on our accumulation and distribution for as long as this chart has been around, except for this little dip right here. That's letting us know that investors are holding onto their shares and they're quite confident in the strength and power in INBI. I highly recommend you check out our website because we have a really nice research report on INBI detailing all of the specifics about the company and how exciting it is on that front. Stock charts aside, the company has a lot of very valuable information and lots of very exciting news coming their way. Some very interesting things I highly recommend you take a look at. You can check that out over on www.goldmedalpennystocks.com. I also recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments below, and join us on the discussion over at iHub. Just search goldmedalpennystocks.com. Hope to talk to you there. Everybody have a good morning and good luck on the market.